Oh my gosh. Thank you for joining me on that 5-minute makeover hair reveal. Isn't it so pretty? Look, look. I love my unicorn hair. So in honor of my, which I'm calling, to appease my husband, my midlife crisis unicorn hair, we are going to do unicorn eyes. Who is with me? Shout yourselves out. Who loves unicorns? Okay. My granddaughters chose all these colors, and my granddaughter Ivy, my 5-year-old granddaughter, is like most popular 5-year-old at school because you know why? She told all of her friends. So my grandma is a unicorn, and she has purple hair, and she has magic powers. Yeah, isn't that so cute? White liner. It makes your unicorn wings just like, well, wait, do they even have wings? It just makes everything look brighter, whiter, and happier. Okay, we are going to start. We're getting fancy, you guys. We are getting fancy on our entire lid, and we are doing the deluxe brush after we dip and tap off because unicorns are so fancy. Oh, they're so fancy. Aren't unicorns like, okay, if you're anti-unicorn, by the way, bye, Felicia. In Renee Land, unicorns are just like super happy. The colors, just everything that they represent, it just makes you so happy, right? Right? Oh, and by the way, I already did slap on my eye primer. I lost it. Yeah, okay. As you guys know, if my head was not attached, I would have lost it years ago. Now, everything is so super duper unicorny pigmented. So we are, that's why we do the Karate Kid version, the Renee style. Dip in, tap off, okay? And we just pat that transition / base color on. Like, I'm totally down just to like stay there, but there's so many fun colors to play with, okay? Are you ready for what's next? So, throughout history, unicorns have symbolized purity, honor, strength, and beauty, okay? All of us need to channel our inner unicorn. That's why we are gifted with the crease brush. No, seriously, you guys, age is just a number, and okay, I'm 46. My husband's like not really a fan of my unicorn hair, but you know what? My husband respects the fact that it makes me happy because having my crazy colored hair, I just love it. I wake up in the morning and wait, by the way, dip in, tap out. I wake up in the morning and I actually look in that mirror and I smile because I just love my freaking hair. And I'll show you guys the back when I'm done. Okay, so we are getting gifted. We are getting gifted in the crease. So remember, kind of like greater than, less than. Those of you that have littles. Those of you that are married to men who play video games, even though mine no longer plays these, like Pac-Man versus Mrs. Pac-Man. Mrs. Pac-Man's going to win you. Greater than, less than. You want to do a V shape. Okay, it's going to really pop your eye. And let me tap off my crease brush. Then we're thankful. Then we are thankful. This one is one of my absolute favorite colors. How many brown-eyed girls are out there? Emoji me below if you are a brown-eyed girl. Did you know? And okay, blue is great for most eye colors, but blue is the color for us brown-eyed girls. It really, hello, look at that. Oh, let's sneak in a quickie tippy. If you have hooded eyes, you're not gonna, you could add to your crease all you want and no one's gonna see nothing. So you want to look straight in the mirror and you want to create your own crease. Look at that. Okay, I think I'm starting to join the hooded eye club. Do you see the difference? Huge, right? Huge. Okay, so again, hooded eyes. Look straight in that mirror. Can you see me now? And you want to create your own crease. Right above that eyelid. Do little windshield wiper bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, and don't worry if you have fallout or you don't tap off. Oops, party fell. Eyeshadow fell. because that's what we got the blending blush for. Isn't it so pretty? Blending brush. Let's just kind of... Okay, another little quickie tippy. Renee's quickie tippy. When you are using highly pigmented products, I don't care if it's my brand unique or if it's whatever brand that you love, you don't want to dig in. To retrain your fingers, hold. Goodness gracious, I have not been mommy juicing that much. Jeez, hold your brush towards the end and just do super light little circular motions, and it's gonna blend all them eyeshadow lines out because, okay, eyeshadow lines are like that girl that wears stretch pants and is wearing granny panties, and we don't want to be that girl. No. So I've been like doing sneaky brush cleanings. Oops. Yeah. By the way, if you guys don't have my brush cleaner, it's the bomb. Like, you spray it on your brush, you get all the funk off, and it's sanitized, disinfected, and ready to use. Okay. We are getting trusting. We are going to go right under that brow, right there. And we're going to do, guess what? That little inner eye strobage, that like magical unicorn. That eye popping, eye opening. Please quit listening to those people that say if you are in the over 40 club, 46, you should not be wearing shimmer. Those people that are the naysayers, they probably need to do lots of shimmer and inner eye strobing to open their eyes to the beauty that lies within. Such a huge difference, right? Crap, I only have 3 minutes left. Damn it. Passionate. I think I like accidentally just clicked a button, so you guys might have heard me like maybe say a couple of choice words because I lose everything. Pencil liner, and then we're going to do some lashes, and we're going to do a super cute unicorn type lip. And spring trend. Goodness gracious, I just can't talk. You know, we were on the news today. They featured on KTLA 5 Weekend News here in Los Angeles. They featured my husband. I have been floating on a unicorn cloud of celebrating life all day today. Okay, lash crack. Super fragile lash tack-istic brow tangle alidocious. You want to wipe that wand off. You want to do that wiggle jiggle twirl. If you are like me and are the queen of the oops, I will show you a quick little hack. You want to wiggle jiggle at the base of your lashes and do that twirl because that's what gives you the length and volume that we all crave and desire and don't want to spend money on toxic falsies that are going to rip out our lashes, right? So if you do an oops, you know that like spoolie on that brow liner that I never use because I love my brow palette. It is an Insta mascara clean and oops, and it's not going to remove your makeup. Okay, let's do a super fun unicorn lip, shall we? We're getting perky. Okay. Fill in. So you want to fill in if you want to do something fun. Get polished. Okay. This is like a great inner eye strobing color too. Okay. Silver, baby. Look at. Okay. Watch. So put polished. This silver liner. And this is a pencil eyeliner on my website. And my granddaughter bit this. Get ambitious. She bit that one too. And it fell. Oops. Hold on. I gotta find my lip brush. Okay. So my granddaughter bit both of my lipsticks. That's why I call her Willow Shark. She just takes a bite out of lips. And my lip brush is missing. So, boom. Thank you so much for joining me. Unicorn Renee at 5 Min Makeover. Make sure we are connected on all my social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, here on Instagram. Let me know how I can help you. I love you all so much. Have a unicorn night. Good night.